Louisville, and boy, there were some women with some lashes like 6 inches long on there. I don't know how they do it. Everybody's saying yes. Oops. Apparently this guy's in too big of a hurry for everyone, so we're gonna see what his issue is here. He drove around 3 cars and me going the wrong way.
Yeah, George Noah David 382.
Turn in, anyone.
With 334 Victor Henry John.
310 request for the horn to go off. Visit Center along that stage.
Why do we want to do that?
I haven't answered yet. We're just trying to figure out what options we have.
We're in agreement. We got to find this first, right? Yeah, we were searching for it earlier, chasing around a thing that we couldn't find anything.
Hey Thomas, I'm gonna go back over to 807. Both around. Copy.
This reminds me of the one we chased into the field in Washington County.
Oh, it always amazes me the
He pinged all been within half a mile of each other, so.
the stories people come up with for why they do stuff.
New message. New message. New message.
That's definitely not. So I gotta hit a federal warrant hit, but it's definitely not this gentleman. It's someone with the same date of birth and a different name. And
Bravo 543. You can clear this assistant with everybody. I'm gonna head over to 525. Bravo 543. I'm heading to 5.
he said he's late for the dentist. That's why he's driving so fast. And I tend to believe him. Because he's got March Madness teeth. He's down to his final 4.
GPS is 9 feet accuracy. New York address.
Could you repeat that?
BMW is saying it's a 9 feet accuracy, so his GPS is within 9 feet of 1358 York Avenue, based on his system.
So
Hey, did you guys run Golf Mike Golf 975.
All right, I am. He's got a clean driving record, and I hate to ruin that.
Is that the X3 that's your apartment?
Yeah, I figured you ran over. Just check. Copy that.
The 2012 black BMW X3 registered the 14 York.
So just for my satisfaction, what's the last four on the VIN?
Mary Hill Apartments, 137 Century Avenue North, color unicorn, 6-0 childhood range, and then I'll be seamless.
0881.
The windows over there looking. I'll get that signal when I receive a PM review.
I don't, but have a good night. Well, there was a backseater there on the corner that wanted to say hi to everyone.
Getting bored of this. Let me turn back around.
I did not write him a ticket, mainly because he had a clear driving history, and I think he sufficiently understood what he had done wrong, so call me a softie. People wonder all the time how we decide who we're going to write a ticket to and who we don't write a ticket to. There's a few things we can do when we see a violation. We can ignore it,
Right here, or this thing's in Timbuktu and Runabout.
like it never happened, which obviously we didn't do in that situation. We can give them advice or a warning if we believe they understand that what they did was wrong and they're apologetic and that their behavior will change, which is what I just did. Or we can write them a ticket if we think that that's what it'll take to change their behavior. It's all about changing behavior and trying to ensure public safety.